exactly what we use with the strategy.
What's going on? Welcome to another UrbanMaster experiment. So today's project is we're going to fix the Piper's issue with his tail lights. A couple of months ago we upgraded his tail lights to these LEDs, and every once in a while he gets the dashboard notification that one of his light bulbs turn signals is out. It is a common thing with LED upgrades. Basically you get higher amperage that you need, and the way you fix it is to install a resistor in line. So that way your resistor draws some more amps from your circuit and in turn converts it to heat. So that way your car computer sees the right amperage intake, and that way your system, functions normally. So let's take a closer look. First we're gonna take this out. No, and it's only the inner two screws. We have black mapping to black, white with gray mapping to white, red mapping to white with orange, and yellow mapping to white with green. Okay. All right, so and the way we're gonna do this, we're gonna turn the left turn signal on. I turn my voltmeter to DC volt, and all I gotta do is find which wire is hot, which wire is actually going on and off. Piper, can you do us a favor? I know where my ground is here, and get the probe to this one. Okay, hopefully you can see this, and there you go. So nothing on this one, nothing on this terminal. Oh, there it is. So we had actually at 0, we had low, then it was like 11 something. There you go, 11.5, 11.8. Yep, so that's it. Turn it off. Right. Now we know that the black is ground and white with green is our turn signal. So this is the guy we're going to be working on. And now, a new turn signal, we need to splice the black and yellow, right? Because we're going to install the resistor between the two. All right, let's do that. All right, so how are we going to get it installed? Basically, we have to jump this and this wire, so the resistor connects to the two and draws the energy. We're thinking of installing it like this somehow. But one thing to know is that the resistors, when they operate, they actually might get hot. I don't know how hot they get. I don't think they'll get to the point where they'll catch on fire or anything. So, but just in case, he got this foil tape. We're gonna wrap the resistors to protect the housing of the light. First we're going to attach it, and that way we know how far we can stretch the wires. We have plenty of wire on this side and on the car end as well. So let's go ahead and attach it first. You want to do that? All right, so since I don't have a drill, I just put a screw like this first by itself. And now I'll take it out. Oh yes, I didn't mention this, but I have a link in the description. So what I got is a 50 watt 6 ohm resistors. So that should be just right for this application. Let's go ahead and install the piece of tape on the surface just to protect it. I don't know if it's really necessary, but oh well, it's not gonna hurt for sure. Yeah, like that. So that way the heat hopefully reflected, at least some portion of the heat is reflected off. We'll see how much hate we're gonna get in the comments for installing a resistor on a plastic light, just like that. It seems like it should be a pretty solid way to install this. Now we're gonna tap into a black and a yellow. And on the resistor, it actually doesn't matter. You can go plus, minus, or minus, plus, either way, as long as you tap into the circuit. So the kit includes these T-taps, and this is how you use them. One of the holes is actually close to this here is a dead end. So you want to install the wire that open wire into that dead end piece. Second wire, you would squeeze through, like, wait, don't you want to figure out how, because this thing is going to be pointing this way, right?
Right.
So you want to make sure that one of them is this way, the other one is that way.
Okay, so let's do this one forward, pointing there.
So the dead end on this beeper,
Yeah.
okay, on which one? Which one you want to do?
Let's do the
Black one. Let me point this out. You can actually install it anywhere, and then as long as you don't push this pin in, you can slide it
right.
as far. So, but it has to be, you said it has to be this way.
Yeah.
Install the second clip, and before you gonna clip it. So the first one goes this way, the second one goes, the dead end goes that way. Okay, this is the white one, right? Yellow one. That was a test. Okay, he has both of them installed, and this time pointing in different directions, so that way we can actually, you know, keep the wires set up neater like this. And go ahead, continue. So now you're gonna clamp it. So now, for the good measure, we're going to test, and we want to make sure that now we got connectivity between this and this. Okay, thank you.
Nope.
No, but like, do you have it set on connectivity? No, you don't. You set it to ohm, but now. Okay, now we got connectivity. We got the connectivity between these two, so now we're going to close the clips. We know this thing is working, and looks like we're ready to install. All right, go ahead and connect it and see if his car catches on fire. All right, solid. I heard a click. All right, so go ahead, go through your controls. So what is this? That's your brake. Okay. Okay, that's reverse. We got it. Looks good. Where'd you go? Okay, turn signal. Nice. So the turn signal works. You did it on the left. You got a front. Does the front work? Yeah, and this thing is like not getting hot at all. It's room temperature. All right, so the left side is ready. We tested it, and now he's going to install it. All right, now we're going to do the right side. And looks like we're ready to install. Go for it. Okay, done? It's blinking. Does the front blink? So yeah, it's blinking here. One thing he said that his indicator was blinking faster than usual. Let's see. Yeah, well, now it looks like it's actually blinking at the normal pace, normal frequency. Yeah, his wipers work. All right, all installed. We got 2 resistors, and now there's no more hyperflashing, and yet. So now his taillight should work as before and even better. And if you found this video useful and liked it, please share it with your friends, like and subscribe. Take it easy, guys.